Hi, I'm Hannah Bernard, and we are here at the 6th Annual AlphaNorth Capital Event Conference here in the Bahamas. Right now I have Tina Byers here with me. She is the Portfolio Manager at AlphaNorth Asset Management. Tina, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So let's talk a little bit about this conference, about AlphaNorth and the Capital Conference. What's it all about?
So AlphaNorth is a fund manager. We have 3 funds. Our flagship fund's a hedge fund, and we focus on the sub 100 million market cap space. It's diversified, and we're looking for really high growth opportunities. So this is our 6th conference. It's non-resource focused, but focused on some of these small caps that we think are proprietary or have some unique aspect to them that could be really high growth opportunities for investors.
And as you said, it is the 6th annual conference here. So how has the market changed during that time?
I think the makeup of the market has changed dramatically over the past 5 years. When we started, the venture exchange was composed of more than 75% resource names, and now that's changed to under 50%. So the shift has been really dramatic, and I think if you include the CSE listed equities, that's also been mostly marijuana stocks. So that's really increased the tech and biotech focus and healthcare versus the resource space.
And just on that note with sectors, in your professional opinion, what sectors do you think are going to outperform or underperform this year?
I think the outperformers the last couple of years has been the cannabis space for sure. But it's been quite volatile, and I think the resource space has been hit pretty hard. So going into 2019, I think that the resources are due for a comeback, and I think we'll see some volatility in the cannabis space as well, maybe getting a leg up towards October when they start, Canada starts allowing edibles to be sold, but I think the volatility will cause the market to shift more towards more fundamental investments.
And on that theme of looking forward to 2019, what are some equity names that we should have on our radar this year?
Green Power Motor is a company that we've been following for a long time. The company's invested in electric vehicles, so they're selling electric vehicles into the United States. In the summer, they were producing at capacity, and now they've increased their production. So we should see them become cash flow positive in the first half of the year. And the government in the United States is trying really hard to get companies to focus more on the electric vehicles. So vehicles are being subsidized in certain pockets of the United States. So that's really adding value to green power and increasing the amount of sales that they're getting.
Any other ones that you can share?
Sure. Antibes Therapeutics is another company that I really like. It's a biotech company. They have a drug that's comparable to naproxen. Recently had phase 2b study out that showed 28% decrease in ulceration rates, which is very significant. And they had a p-value of 0.001, which is pretty good result. And as they continue doing a dose ranging study this year, I think we'll see more positive momentum in the stock. And management's been buying in the market. There was an overhang in December, but because of warrants that were expiring, but now I think it's ready to take off.
Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing your expertise, Tina, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thanks.